Whole Foods Market supports our local and global communities through our foundations. Whole Planet Foundation alleviates poverty in communities where Whole Foods Market products are sourced. We fund microcredit for low-income entrepreneurs, giving them a chance to create or expand an often home-based business to lift themselves and their families out of poverty. Whole Planet Foundation supports women and their small businesses through microcredit in 77 countries, including 25 communities in the United States. Whole Kids Foundation is dedicated to improving children's nutrition. We support edible education, collaborate with districts to transform the health of school food, and inspire families to make small changes to everyday eating that improve everyone's health. Whole Kids Foundation has provided more than 8 million kids in 12,000 schools the opportunity to make healthy food choices at school in the United States, Canada, and the UK. Whole Cities Foundation is on a mission to expand healthy food access and nutrition education. We help build thriving local food systems by partnering with community-led organizations such as mobile markets, community gardens, and our signature nutrition program, Let's Talk Food. Since 2014, Whole Cities Foundation has partnered with more than 190 nonprofit organizations across 106 cities in the US and Canada, contributing more than $2.1 million to local communities. Whole Foods Market covers operating costs for the foundations, so 100% of your donation supports our local and global communities.